Hello, Namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Naveen. I hope you all are enjoying your life every moment, every day. How beautiful is this? Different streams of different rivers originate from different sources, which are ultimately the daughters or the creations of the water element, the huge ocean of the planet. They travel across different countries, different geographical areas, different terrains, take different forms, shapes, color, fragrance, and sometimes give different kind of experience to different sort of people. Many people derive sanctity, purity, and the expression of divinity through various rivers and through their water in their lives. We say water is life, water gives life to all the civilization. All the civilizations have flourished on the banks of rivers near water. Similarly, we all people look so different. We have different appearances, different forms, different shapes, different body types, different mindsets, different sort of spiritual expressions, but still we belong to the same nature, same original creation, to the almighty creativity, and yet we think we are different. But ultimately we all also complete our journey like the rivers go back to the ocean. We ultimately go back to the same divine creation, the ultimate Paramatma, or the divine origin, nature, Prakriti. In fact, our life is so small in terms of the universal existence of different kind of lives, that we are just like few drops of the water. We have just taken different shape, form because of the terrain, because of the environment, because of the atmosphere. So we may look different, we may have different texture, different composition, slightly different fragrance or different emanation of energy, but ultimately we are coming from the same source, and finally we'll go back to the same source, the great ocean. So we all should enjoy our life every moment and do not feel that we are alone anywhere on this planet, because we all belong to the same origin. So keep enjoying the life. Thank you. Have fun. Namaste. Om Shanti.